to KPsKINGDOM Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my sweet and spicy chicken noodles. A really easy dish, and you're going to be watching as I invent this dish. 2 small chicken breasts, I've cut those really thin across the grain. I've added in 1 tablespoon's worth of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons worth of sesame sauce, and around about a tablespoon's worth of Jiaojing wine. Okay, give all of that a bit of a stir, just like that, and we're going to let that marinate for around about 30 minutes or so. Doesn't take very long. Right, leave that aside and let's make up our sauce. Right, first thing I'm going to add in is 2 tablespoons worth of XO sauce. You can get that from your Asian supermarket. 2 tablespoons worth of good quality soy sauce. I'm also going to add in probably a 1/4 cup's worth of Jiaojing wine or dry sherry. About 2 tablespoons worth of agave. You could use honey if you want to. Give that a quick stir, just like that. And we're going to also add in 2 tablespoons worth of peanut oil and around about a teaspoon's worth of sesame oil into that as well. Right, so give all of that a good stir once again. I'm going to add in the equivalent to 1 clove of garlic and about the same amount of ginger. I'm using the paste there. They're going to work really great in making a very nice quick little sauce. And I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons worth of ketchup mayonnaise. Okay, sweet soy. Right, so you can actually buy ketchup mayonnaise, or you can actually just buy sweet soy. It's the same thing. Right, 3 tablespoons worth of that. And this is going to make a really nice sweet sauce. Alright, give that a stir once again. Alright, in a wok, a little bit of peanut oil can go in. I know we've got oil in our sauce and all the rest of it, but look, we're going to end up with a real nice glossy type noodle. Alright, 1 onion, just roughly chopped or cut. I've done the sort of 1/4 cut method there. I like that sort of cut when I'm doing Asian. We end up with nice little crunchy edges and flavorful bits on our onion. So just cook those off. You're going to take a couple of minutes or so until they go translucent and take on a little bit of color. You can see a little bit of brownage there. That's exactly what we want. So we're just going to take those out of the wok. Try and keep as much oil out of there. Now I'm actually adding that to the sauce that we just made, that last sauce. So everything that we're going to do is going into that sauce. We're going to add our chicken in. As you can see, nice thin slices, and these are not going to take very long at all, probably around about 1 minute to 90 seconds or so. And yes, this wok is about to be retired. I've had it for quite a few years now, and it's starting to show a bit of age on it, being a non-stick wok. So just keep stir frying your chicken off in little batches, just like that. And as I said, if you cut it really nice and thin, sort of around about 3 to 5 millimeters, it will take no time at all to cook. So add the sauce, the onions, all the chicken straight back into the wok, just like that. And all we have to do now is get that sauce and everything all combined. We want to get that sauce on every piece and every angle of that chicken if we possibly can. Alright, not going to take very long at all. And we're going to serve this up today, and we're going to use a thick Hokkien noodle that goes in, and the sauce is going to cover all of those noodles, and we're going to end up with one of the best stir-fried dishes that I have created. As I said, I was creating this on the fly, no recipe book. This is my dish, and there you go. You got KP's sweet spicy chicken noodles. Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell to be notified every time a new video goes up, and please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. And in the meantime, I'm off to eat my sweet and spicy chicken noodles, and if you want to learn how to do this, well, you need to come and join the family. My family, hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again, and I will catch you next time. Bye!